2020 Kia Soul, and it's got 37,000 plus miles on it. There are a lot of really good mechanics in this country. They highly recommend it to be changed out 5 to 6 years, and as few as 30,000 miles, and some of them say 40,000 miles. It's cheap. It's 10 bucks. And we'll take out the old one. We'll do the simple rattle test. We'll install the new one. It came from Amazon. It is a genuine Hyundai Kia part. I'll show it to you. I'll put a link in the description. Okay, here's where it's located. I'm going to get the camera set up in a better position over in here, looking straight down on it. Now on this you want to be careful. Try not to damage the hose, but we do have to break it loose a little bit. And that's all it took. Just a little bit of a twist, she'll come right off. We'll take our 21 millimeter. It's plastic with an O-ring seal. If they get to the point of being stopped up, they can actually even cause oil consumption. It is a genuine Kia valve, PCV. Old one's in my left hand. We're going to shake the old one and the new one. Got a different rattle to it, a little bit more crisper. But this is not a GDI engine either. This is just a normally aspirated, it means no turbocharger, and it is fuel injection, not gasoline direct injection. Going to use a little super lube O-ring, silicone lubricant. Little engine oil would be fine. You don't need a socket or a wrench, guys. All you need is a pair of pliers, and just be very careful with it. But I have the socket. We're just going to barely snug that thing because we have an O-ring seal. The hose goes back on. Slide the band back up in its proper place. You can see the markings left by it. Get it back almost precisely where it was, and you're good to go. We'll put our beauty cover back in place. Oh, how can you not like them? Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there and have a good one.